Students, we will start second chapter Quadratic Equations. You have already studied polynomials in last year. Poly means many and nomial means variable. Now we see the type of polynomials. See the activity in your textbook. First activity according to their degree. Now type of polynomials, that is the linear polynomial, and second one quadratic polynomial. In linear polynomial their degree become a 1. 1. And example 5x plus 9 and another example 3x minus 7. Here 5x, x degree become a 1 and here 3x, x degree become a 1. Now second that type is a quadratic polynomial. Degree become a 2. An example 3x square plus 2x or 5x square. Here degree of x 2 and here also degree of x become a 2. So a polynomial in one variable having degree 1 is called linear polynomial, and polynomial in degree 2 is called as the quadratic polynomial. Now we see what is the quadratic equation and how we identify the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation means the equation involving one variable having 2 as a maximum index or power of the variable is called as the quadratic equation. Means only one variable, degree of variable should be 2 and a, b, c are real numbers and a not equal to 0. This is 3 conditions. Now what is the standard form of quadratic equation? That is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here only one variable x, degree of variable become a 2, maximum degree here 2, a, b, c these are real number and a not equal to 0. This is the condition. Now we see the equation or example 5x square plus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. In this equation a is equal to 5, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 6. Now this is a quadratic equation? Yes. Why this is a quadratic? Because see our condition, there only one variable, degree of variable should be 2, a, b, c are real numbers and is a not equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. If we take a is equal to 0, then we put here 0x square plus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. This value become a 0. So this is a quadratic equation? No, this is not a quadratic equation. Here variable 1 but maximum degree not 2. So this is a not quadratic equation. Suppose we take the 5x square plus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. Here b is equal to 0. Put the value of b, x square plus 0x plus 6 equal to 0. This become a cancel. So this is a quadratic equation? Yes, this is a quadratic equation because one variable and maximum degree become a 2. So here one condition that b not equal to 0 and c not equal to 0 is considered, but a not equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation and their conditions. Now we see the next part of this chapter, that is the standard form of the quadratic equation. In your textbook, page number 31, given activity number 2. Students, see in your textbook, page number 31, given activity, the activity number 2. So given here 3 equations that we write the coefficient of x square, coefficient of x and constant. See the first equation, x square plus 3x minus 5. Here the coefficient of x become a 1. So we write here 1. Coefficient of x become a 3 plus 3. So we write here 3. And next that is this constant minus 5. See the second equation, 3x square minus 5x. Here coefficient of x square 3 and coefficient of x minus 5. Constant not given, so we write here 0. Last equation 5x square, coefficient of x square 5. Coefficient of x not given, so we write here 0. Constant also not given, so we write here 0. Now same page, page number 31, given the next activity, third. Here some quadratic equation given. This equation we convert into standard form. This is the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And we write the value of a, b and c. So x square minus 4 is. So we convert into standard form x square plus 0x minus 4 equal to 0. This is the standard form. So what is the coefficient of x? 1. So value of a become 1. Coefficient of x 0 means value of b 0. And here constant minus 4 value of c. Now second equation we convert y square 2y in that side. So this side here minus 2y minus 7 become a plus 7. So is equal to 0. So value of a become 1, value of b become minus 2 and c, that is the 7. Now last equation we convert this standard form, x square plus 2x plus 0 is equal to 0. So what is the coefficient of x square? That is the 1. So value of a 1, value of b 2 and value of c become a 0. So this is we convert the equation into standard form. Now we see the next part, roots of quadratic equation. The value of the variable which satisfy the given equation is called as the roots of a quadratic equation or solution of a equation. See in your textbook page number 33. Give the activity given, fourth activity. If x equal to 5 is a root of equation, so kx square minus 14x minus 5 equal to 0, then find the value of k. So we put x equal to 5 in equation. So put x equal to 5 in equation. So we write here equation x square 14x minus 5 equal to 0. We put x, so k 5 square minus 14 into 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So k into 5 square 25 and 14 into 5 is become a 70. 70 minus 5 is equal to 0. So 25k minus 70 minus 5 minus 75 equal to 0. 75 here minus that side plus, so 25k is equal to 75. 25 here multiply, divide both side, so 75 upon 25. So k is equal to 3. This is the value of k. So now see the page number 33. They are given some points. First point, that is the ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the standard form of equation, and a, b, c are real number and a not equal to 0. Now second point, the value of variable which satisfy equation are called solution or the roots of the equation. We already studied this. Students, we will start practice set 2.1. See the first equation. Write any two quadratic equation. So we write any two quadratic equation in the standard form. So we write here x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. And another example, x square minus 5x plus 10 is equal to 0. These are the two quadratic equations in their standard form. Now see the next question, that is decide which of the following equation are quadratic equation. Now see the equation. Here the equation, first equation, x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. In this equation, we have one variable and their maximum degree also 2. So this is the quadratic equation. So we write here one variable and degree is 2. Therefore, this is quadratic equation. Now see the second equation, y square equal to 5y minus 10. First we convert into standard form. So y square, 5y here that side plus, here minus 5y minus 10. So here plus 10 is equal to this 0. So this is the standard form. Here also one variable and degree become a 2. So this is also quadratic equation. So this is quadratic equation. Every time you write this result and then write this is a quadratic equation. Now see the third example, y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 2. Here in denominator y, so we cancel that, multiply y on both sides of the equation. So y equal into y square plus y into 1 upon y is equal to 2y. So y cancel, y cube plus 1 is equal to 2y. So y cube 2y in this side minus 2y is equal to plus 1 is equal to 0. In this equation, see one variable but maximum degree become a 3. So this is not a linear quadratic equation. So we write here this is not quadratic equation. Okay. Now see the next similar example, x plus 1 upon x equal to 2. Here also denominator x. So cancel that denominator. We multiply both sides x. So x into x plus x into 1 upon x is equal to 2 into x. So x cancel. X square plus 1 is equal to 2x. X square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So here one variable and maximum degree become a 2. So this is a quadratic equation. So right here this is a quadratic equation. Okay. Now we see the next question. Question number 3. Write the following equation in the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and write the value of a, b, c for each equation. See the first equation. 2y equal to 10 minus y square. So we write in the standard form. So 2y, first we minus y come this bring this side. So we write here y square plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. This is the standard form. Now what is the value of a, b and c? So our standard form is a x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So here coefficient of x is a. So value of y square is value of a become 1 in this equation. So value of b become a 2 and value of c become a minus 10. See the next second example. X minus 1 whole square is equal to 2x plus 3. Now what is our formula? A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus. Now our formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we expand this x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 2x plus 2. 2x that side plus here minus. So x square minus 2x minus 2x plus 1 and minus 3 is equal to 0. So x square minus 2x minus 4x and 1 plus 1 minus 3 minus 2 equal to 0. This is the standard form. Now the value of a1, value of b become minus 4 and value of c become a minus 2. Now third equation, x square plus 5x equal to minus in the bracket 3 minus x. So x square plus 5x open the bracket minus 3 minus plus x. So bring here x square plus 5x, x here plus this side minus and plus 3 minus 3 become a plus 3. So 0. So x square 5x minus x plus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. So this is the standard form. Now value of a equal to 1, value of b equal to 4 and value of c equal to 3. Now last equation, see the 3m square equal to 2m square minus 9. So 3m square, 2m square that side plus here minus m square minus 9 become a plus 9 is equal to 0. 3 minus 2m square plus 9 equal to 0. So our standard form, we convert into standard form, that is the m square plus 0m is plus 9 is equal to 0 and value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 9. This is our third question.